How do you fix this hole?
To fix this hole, also BTY, that means by the way. BTY,
BTY అంటే
that means by the way.
బై ద వే BTW కదా.
No, it's BTY.
అవునా?
Yeah.
ఓకే.
Also, by the way, IDK, which means I don't know. Also BTY, IDK, why my brother made this hole.
Yeah, correct.
He
Your
used
brother
a
made
tool
this.
like this.
Yeah.
Something.
So,
But to fix this, the first thing I got is put this here and make it go all the way up there. But that's not the only plan. The next plan I have is if the one which is the first one doesn't work, this second plan would not work either. I'm just telling you that. But the next plan was, I thought it would work, but it didn't. But the next one is this. Put this here and make that log thing go there.
అవునా? అంత పెద్దది ఇప్పుడు ఆ పక్కతో బాగుంది
That's
కదా.
my second plan. But the third plan is drill the circle out and then put glue onto the sides.
Oh, you are explaining 3 plans.
Yeah.
Okay. So third plan is, what is that? I like that third plan. What is
The
that?
third plan is that drill a circle out and put glue on the sides which are still remaining. Not the drilled out
Oh.
piece.
So you mean you wanted to glue here and put that piece on top of this hole,
No, I mean like put glue on here, all over there. Remove the axle and then put it back in. Like
Inside.
Put the drilled out piece. It has to be the same thing. So put the drilled out piece inside.
Wow, that is what we are going to do now. Excellent.